How to feed these baby dragons. You will need to be very careful so that you do not end up overfeeding the baby bearded dragons. Overfeeding the baby dragons will put more pressure on the small lizard nerves and will result in paralysis of the rear legs and can even lead to a possible death. The baby lizards will eat a lot and will need quite a bit of food, but in the form of very small, frequent meals. Some of the things that can be good food are fresh molted mealworms, crickets, and waxworms. The insects need to be gut-loaded and then coated with vitamin and some mineral powder multiple times in a week. A layer of calcium powder needs to be coated every day on the insects. You should make sure that you introduce them to some vegetables a couple of times a day, say once in 2 days. The vegetables need to be chopped and given to them in very small quantities. Hatched and juvenile, both bearded dragons need to be primarily fed very small feeder insects, for example crickets, only 2 to 3 times in a day. Make sure you do not take a very large number of crickets, since they can overrun the tank and are also known to be biting. Also make note that though insects are tasty, they do not alone have all the nutrients which will suffice the needs of a bearded dragon that is growing. You will need to provide them with calcium supplements. You also need to start feeding them with grass as soon as possible. And this is not just for nutritional purposes, but also for hydrating reasons. It is very important that the vegetables are cut into pieces that are bite-sized. Quality pallets are also a very good thing to offer the bearded dragons at the initial stages.
Bringing you more value per minute than any other pets channel out there, or at least trying to. We would appreciate if you at least like or share this video. That would mean the world to us.